So, yun, nakat yung video. Every 5 minutes nakakat siya. So, upload ko lang by part. So, since nakapag-create na tayo ng CSR for Ribbons BC1, kopyahin lang natin to, then paste natin sa isang notepad. And then, punta tayo dito sa PFSets, certificate, isa-sign natin siya. So, add. Dito merong sign a certificate signing request. Ito si Ribbon 1. So, yung CA to sign with, which is yung ating self-signed certificate authority. And then, paste natin dito. And then, CSR. Dito. Default natin yan. 1 year lang. And then, server certificate, IP address, and then, ilagay natin dito yung IP address no SPC1. And then, save. And then, save lang natin ito. And, ito natin dito. Edit natin siya with notepad. And then, kopyahin natin ito. And then, punta tayo dito sa Ribbon SPC. Then, security. Primary certificate ito. Okay. And then, import. Copy and paste. Paste lang natin dito. And then, okay. And then, nandito na. Kung papusin nyo, nandito yung common loop, country, state province, organization, unit, and then yung email address ko. And then, yung issuer natin is yung CA natin, Sandbox. And then, yung subject alternative name, verify status is okay. Then, gagawin din natin to sa malawang SBC. And then, CSR, save. Ito naman, gagamitin natin yung 201 kasi ayun yung signaling IP niya. 201. Okay, same email na lang din. Okay, then, next. Make sure mo yun. Then, send mo yun. Then, for lagi, company. And then, SPO. And then, okay. So, kapag lang ulit natin. And then, ito lang. And then, punta ulit tayo dito sa CA natin. Firewall natin. And then, same. Ito naman yung ribbon. So, same lang. Yung CA to sign with. And then, paste natin dito yung CSR. And then, dito, doon lang natin kung 1. And then, dito, server certificate, IP address, and then yung IP address ng SBC2 natin. Ito, 1. And then, save. And then, download natin. And then, open with notepad na. And then, save. And then, balik tayo sa ribbon ng SBC2. Pinutin natin yung security. And then, dito. And then, paste lang. Same procedure lang. And then, okay. And okay. So, successful. See? Now, create na tayo ng peering. So, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi pa natin in-upload yung CA natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito, okay. Refresh natin. Kasi nagbago yung certificate natin. Kaya siya request ng another session. So, okay. Create na tayo ng peering. Collapse na dito. Zip. And then, pa-part 3 ko na lang siya.